Cryptocurrency's been on a wild ride since the beginning of June. Prices are down heavy across the board. And yes, Shiba Inu Coin is getting hit very hard, but it is bouncing back, and it's bouncing back beautifully right now. Coming off those 1,200 point per coin levels, already back up and testing 1,600 points per coin is a very strong look. And I came across an article today, and you know what? I don't know if I agree with them or not. So we need to do a little bit more talking about it. 10x increases is what they're calling for. 16,000 points per coin ahead is what this analyst is claiming is going to happen for SHIB. So we're going to discuss it, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Cryptonomy. Now, if you guys haven't seen Cryptonomy, we're going to be going over everything that they do and why they are so important, especially during market conditions like we're experiencing right now. Now, over the last month and a half, the cryptocurrency space has seen nothing but decline. Analysts are saying, however, that we are getting ready to bottom out, or that we may have already bottomed out, and things are going to be looking very good. So depending on if you're a glass half full kind of guy, glass half empty, you're going to see opportunity instead of problems here, and that is exactly what Cryptonomy offers. Now, with the market pulling back the way that it is, one of the best ways that you can hedge against a falling price is by earning free cryptocurrencies. And Cryptonomy allows you to do that through flexible, fixed staking, and their flagship product, the Launchpool. We're going to be going over all of those in this little video here, so let's talk about it real quick. Now, the fixed staking is where you're going to see a very nice, kind of, the Goldilocks approach to earn interest here. As you can see these numbers on the screen, 153% annualized interest on Bitcoin, 153 on Ethereum, 153 on Ethereum Classic, on down the board. You got Tron offering 172, XRP, Doge, Shiba Inu Coin offering 172% annualized interest. And just to show you that this stuff is working, I want to show you my deposits here. Now, you can scroll down through, and we can see that, okay, this Shiba Inu Coin here, for example, opened up on April 24th. Let's take a look at these details just over the last 2 months or so. I have already earned, look at this, scheduled interest of, what is this here, 36 million Shiba Inu Coin, and I've already walked away with 711,000 Shiba Inu Coin in a very short period of time. This is an absolute incredible way to earn, and because of it, I am going to open up another deposit right now. Now, I do have some BNB available, so I'm going to go ahead and open up another fixed interest staking account. We're going to go ahead and, you know what, let's just use 20 BNB right now, and I'm going to go for the 12-month. Why the 12-month at this point in time? Because with the current market situation, twofold, right? Number one, I want to lock this up so that I don't get tempted to sell and miss out on the bull market. Guys, the 4-year bull market cycle is set to take place roughly the end of 2024 throughout 2025. And I want to be here for 2025, which is why I'm going the 12-month interest. And I do want to earn monthly interest on this one, so it is going to pull it back down a little bit, but that money is going to be available in my account on an earlier basis. I'm going to click, I have read the terms and conditions, and I suggest you guys do that, but I am going to click create, and it is easy as that. I've opened up another fixed staking account. Now, let's say that BNB begins to rip higher, and the bull market comes a little earlier than I expect. Nobody else in the industry is doing this. You can simply contact the support team over at Cryptonomy, tell them you want to move that BNB over into USDT, and they do it. As easy as that, you can capitalize on the capital gains during the peak of a bull market, and you can make as much interest as possible simply by staking and holding those assets along the way. So Cryptonomy really does offer incredible incentive here. And let's say you're not ready to do a fixed staking account. They do offer flexible staking accounts as well. And you can see here that I can withdraw this at any time. And my Shiba Inu coin continues to earn money even though I'm not doing anything with it. It is sitting in Cryptonomy right now, earning interest at a 34% annualized rate. Now, it's a little lower than the fixed staking, but that's expected because I am liquid. I'm able to withdraw that and use that at any time that I would like. Now, Cryptonomy's flagship product. This is huge. And guys, during this bull market, you're going to see these launch pools soar here. Why? Because when people are buying and they become greedy and all of these new projects are rising in value, you're going to see crazy gains on Cryptonomy's launch pool. Average statistics. The current average return on investment is a 10.68x increase, or 1,068%. The average all-time high ROI was a 57x increase. Now, let's talk about the average all-time high. We could expect that to take place during the peak of a bull market. So if we're willing to get in now, the market rebounds, opportunity is abundant, I would imagine we could see some very good ROI along the way. Now, I do have a couple positions that I want to check in on and show you guys here, just so you can get a better understanding of what's actually happening. 2 of them have already been completed. Let's talk about this one right here, 1,500 USDT. It is already accrued 39,000 USDT, an incredible rate of return right there. But of course, it is not yet completed, so the gains can be even better than that. Now, because of this, because we're in a perfect opportunity to make a lot of money, I'm going to create another contract, and I'm going to go for the gold on this one. Now, I've got Solana sitting here, so we're going to scroll on down to Solana, and we're going to open this one up right here, and we are really going to be doing well. The profit sharing is 70% to us, 30% to Cryptonomy, up to a 20x increase. And the contract end date is going to be on July 5th of 2025. Simple to click that, and then I've read the terms and conditions. You guys do the same. Click create, and just that easy. Guys, this is going to be a historic bull market. If you don't think that you can make it through on your own emotion and your own power, staking is an incredible way to get locked in, to make sure that you are here, not only earning interest on the way, but assuring that you guys are going to be here at the peak of the bull market. I'm excited about it. I want to give a huge shout out to Cryptonomy. Make sure to check them out down in the description below and let them know that Claybro sent you. Alright everybody, make sure to go check out Cryptonomy, and you know, for real, if you want to earn extra cryptocurrency during this pullback leading into the bull market, it could be an excellent opportunity for you, so make sure to check them out. But Shiba Inu Coin testing 1,600 points per coin this morning, analysts calling for 16,000 points per coin. Shiba Inu Coin price slumps, but can these updates spark a 10x rally? After significant crypto market plunge, Shiba Inu Coin's price has taken a sharp nosedive, declining for 3 consecutive days to a low of 1,271 points per coin. This marks its lowest price since March 1st and represents a staggering 70% drop from the high this year. Now, 3 days. Okay, but any of the green days that Shiba Inu Coin had were basically non-existent. All they did was offer a little bit of stability before the price fell even further. But I want to point out that it was not Shiba Inu Coin specific that was, I guess, causing the decline, or the reason for the decline. The overall market pulling back very heavy. And there's several reasons that, analysts and reporters are pointing to: Mt. Gox fears, political uncertainty, the SEC, a chief enforcement officer for crypto stepping down. All of this has happened over the last couple of weeks, none of which legitimizes what we're actually seeing. Bitcoin dropping 30+% in a month because we're afraid that Germany is going to sell off of some Bitcoin? Or because we're afraid that Mt. Gox is finally returning Bitcoin to customers? See, when you put it into context, it's the fear that is rising up in retail investors that is driving the price lower. And I believe when that fear subsides, which it will, it always does, we're going to see a very nice rebound. As a matter of fact, you can go out and you can Google the Fear to Greed Index, you can read some articles on it, and the fear right now is the highest, or essentially the Fear to Greed Index is the lowest, however you want to look at it there. Fear is at the highest level that it's been since the low that we reached right at the end of 2022, beginning of 2023. That was a price bottom. And then we rallied up from $17,000 Bitcoin to $73,000 Bitcoin. Guys, if this is the same deal, if we've bottomed out at $53,000 Bitcoin, we could rally up to $150,000, $200,000 Bitcoin and beyond. And if that happens, sure, Shiba Inu Coin could be closing in on some 10x gains from these recent lows. It says you've got a renowned analyst has set bold targets for Shiba Inu Coin, forecasting a potential surge to 16,500 points per coin. The analysis, initially published in November of 2023, when SHIB hovered around 1,000 points per coin, outlines several ambitious price targets. The first of which, 2,600 points per coin, and we had a lot of resistance in that area. 37 to 4,000 points per coin. The fourth targets are around the all-time highs of 8,800 points per coin, and then 12,000 points per coin, and finally the sixth target, 16,000 points per coin. The ultimate price target for Shiba Inu Coin stands around 16,500 points per coin, representing a jaw-dropping 997% increase from the current levels. This prediction follows an 8-month trading period where some targets already reached and lost. Despite recent market setbacks, analysts remain optimistic about SHIB's recovery and potential for further price action and price appreciation. I agree, okay? Now, do I think that Shiba Inu Coin can hit a 16,000 point per coin mark? That's going to put you roughly around the $100 billion market cap. I think that's a possibility. Okay, I don't know if that's where we're going. I don't know where we're going to get held up. I don't know where emotional traders are going to decide to sell. But what I do know is a $100 billion valuation is absolutely doable if Bitcoin truly is hitting $100,000, $150,000, $200,000 during this bull market. We have got so much positive news out there. Institutions pouring in, slowly but surely, pouring into Bitcoin. They will be pouring into Ethereum. They will be pouring into any additional altcoins that receive ETF application approvals. We have got retail traders that are currently at these levels non-existent. Guys, you can look at the statistics. This entire rally that we have seen so far, this slow and steady increase in prices, well, not 100%, nothing's 100% in life, 90+% institutional investors. You can go out and you can look at retail statistics, and they are the lowest that they have been dating back to 2017. Think about that, guys. Retail is nowhere to be found right now, and when they return, not if they return, they always do, and they always do around the peak. When retail returns, that's when you get that exponential rally. Like the price is stepped on a rocket and rips higher. That's when you sell. I don't know what else to tell you about it. I can't tell you what you should be doing and so on. But you buy when others are fearful, and right now they are fearful. And you sell when others are greedy. They're not yet greedy. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.